Hi everyone, if you would like to create another local user account on your Windows 11 PC, simply follow this tutorial. Open the Windows settings in Start menu. Click on the Accounts. Click the Family and Other Users category on the left. Click on Add Account and Other User section. If the new user has a Microsoft account, enter the associated email address and click Next. The Microsoft account is set as a new user. If you don't want to add Microsoft account, you will need to select I don't know this person's sign-in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account and set a username and password. Finally, click on Next. The user was created successfully. If you want to add a new user to the administrators group, click on arrow to the right of the new username. Then click on Change Account Type. Change account type, standard user to administrator, and then click OK. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.